Okay, Nigerians, few days ago, I made a video about the Nigeria state. And I asked a question. Now, do I believe that Nigeria have the potential to survive? I said yes. But do I know if Nigeria have the potential to survive? I say yes. But do I know or do I believe if Nigeria can change or develop? I say no. I don't believe so. Because of, if you check the rhythm of the set of people we have in Nigeria, the political class and the electorate, all right? Now, the corrupt system in Nigeria is not solely powered only by the politicians, all right? Now, if the electorate does not empower the politicians to be grounded in corruption, they cannot succeed. All right, for you to lose your house to a stranger, it means that there is somebody in-house that has enabled that transaction. You cannot lose a house to a stranger when someone in-house has not enabled that transaction. That is how Nigeria is. The people who are fighting today, the people who are shouting Nigeria is corrupt, there's hardship, and that 99.9% of it are corrupt. They are goats and cows and cats. This lady at the bus stop in Nigeria, in Lagos, took out a phone and said, let me video the situation here. At least the governor of Lagos could see it, that no more buses are needed. One goat from the crowd came out and said, you cannot video. There was one comment she made that even busted me.
See everybody, tell your papa, tell your daddy to buy bus here. Tell your father to buy bus here. Tell your father to buy the bus. My daddy is the governor of Lagos. Don't make it.
Go and tell your daddy to buy a bus. Can you imagine? Can you imagine the level of can you imagine the level of defiancy in the lives of some Nigerians? When you are shouting change, even the person that is shouting the change with you is corrupt. He's just looking at you and saying, man, this one a fool himself. That is why a lot of Westernite, Nigeria Westernite, a plate of food, you can buy them. Nigeria Westernite, they are the Nigeria Westernite, they are the eastern, I don't want to mention tribe, they are the eastern part of Nigeria, west, north, east, south. But you see, particularly the Westernite in Nigeria, they are the most easy to buy people in Nigeria. The most easy to buy. You can buy them with a plate of food, you can buy them with a spoon of rice, and they are all yours. And that is why this lady is shouting in this bus stop. It is